Hey, what is up, guys? Hope all is well. It is Dean Soto. And look, I'm an introvert. And when it comes to being an introvert and dealing with clients in my business, one of the best ways, and it's really the way of the future, as of talking about this in 2026, is utilizing AI to give your customers, give your clients an experience that they'll never forget. And this is something that literally could not be done in years past. Now it can be done in a way where you give clients a white glove experience. Okay. Now, getting into this, I want to stress that the lifeblood of your business is developing a partnership with your clients, whether that is a business where you are B2C, business to consumer, you're selling a little product or things like that, or you are a business that's B2B, that you're helping other businesses with the service type thing, okay? Even like a software as a service, you're going to find that when you give your customers an experience that nobody else can give, it really does make such a huge difference and they become advocates. And being an introvert, this is something that I struggled with for a long time. And the good news is now with AI, you don't have to do that anymore. Um, so in these in this particular video and in videos to come, I'm going to be a lot more personable. This is kind of my personal brand, my personal channel, and I'm going to give you just thoughts and ideas that have helped me to deliver and really save my business. And there was a video prior to this called "How AI Saved My Business," and it did pretty well. And it really is the backbone of what I'm going to talk about today. Okay. So if you want to go check out that video, it really will change your mind on what AI can and can't do for your business. And it'll show you that AI is not just a tool that is taking people's jobs, but can enhance your current staff's ability to serve your clients. Okay, so here's the deal: is that clients clients if you have a specific view that clients are troublesome or they don't understand or they don't really like value what you give them and so on and so forth, then that's the type of client that you're going to attract. A lot of what you attract is based off of your own mindset. If you assume that clients are going to not value what you give them, if you assume that clients are going to constantly beg for um, that clients are constantly going to give you uh, I don't want to say trouble, but they're always going to want, then that's what's going to happen. And I used to have that mindset. I'm being honest. um, I used to think that, look, this you just don't understand the value of a virtual systems architect from my company Pro Sulum. um, you don't understand that. You really don't understand that these guys are going to completely change your life. They'll document everything that you do. It's going to be amazing. You won't have to work nearly as much ever again, and you'll be able to scale your business. And there were clients who got it, and there were clients who didn't. There were clients who utilized a virtual systems architect in the way that they were designed, the service was designed to work. And then there were clients who just saw them as like a normal virtual assistant and delegated to them just like you would anywhere else. And it never really worked out with them. When things got documented, things worked. If things did not get documented, if they weren't used the right way, if a virtual systems architect was not used in the right way, it didn't work. And then I would kind of blame the client for not seeing the vision. Well, the cool thing is that clients love when you care about their business. Clients love when you want to help them to make more money, to grow the revenue, help them to go from point A to point Z. Okay. Now, the problem is they don't want you telling them what to do. Nobody wants to be told you need to do X, Y, Z. This is what you're doing wrong. This is what you're doing wrong. What they want is somebody that can be that trusted advisor, that soft touch, that soft kind of, hey, this is what we've seen working, or this is what you're currently going through. We'd love to know what you're currently going through so then we can help you move to grow in your business, to go from point A to point B. And it's that personal touch that really allows you to, and it's not the personal touch. I shouldn't say that, like, because keep in mind, I probably have some kind of neurodiversion. Okay. And I also have, personally, I have narcissistic personality disorder, and I literally diagnosed that. And so I would think that I knew what was best for my client. And so then I would try and force upon them what I thought they needed. And I never really truly listened to what they wanted and what they needed in their business. And because of that, I came off as being very abrasive. I came off as being very know-it-all. And some clients actually did like that because it was somebody who was, I was being genuine and really kind of pushing them in the right direction, but forcefully. Whereas a lot of other clients really thought that was intrusive. Okay. And you're probably thinking, like, Dean, okay, what's your point? Why are you saying all this? With AI, using AI to actually listen to your clients has been a game changer. With ChatGPT, with Claude, and especially with tools like manus.im, manus.im, you're now able to connect all of the different tools that you have to set up discovery calls via Zoom, via whatever, reach out to your clients, it's able to look and analyze at all of, I'm kind of all over the place because I'm so excited to talk about this. It's able to look at all of your emails, all of the emails that go out, and all of the emails that your clients have sent, and get a picture of what's actually going on. And then to go even a step further, if you were to set up a discovery call, you can then take the transcript from that discovery call from your client. The client, maybe you've been with a client for a year, 2 years, and so on. Set up a 30-minute discovery call. Hey, I just want to see how things are going. How can we help you? What can we do to make it a better experience? No sales, no selling, no nothing, but just getting on a call with your existing client and hearing the pain. Taking that transcript and letting Claude or Manus or whomever who knows about your business, because if you attach your connectors and knowledge base and everything like that, knows about your business, takes that discovery call transcript, understands your client now and their needs, they can then create action plans, that they can create plans that can be a 30-day plan, a 60-day plan, a 90-day plan. I have a 180-day plan that each of my clients have, where my guys will simply follow it. It actually not only creates a PDF action plan. For me, I use AI to create projects with that action plan in Asana, which is like a project management tool. And that project management tool is a guide for them to give a soft touch to do a specific thing every month for that client. So we have clients where they had events go on, and where, because the AI knew that they had an event that went on or was going to go on, it started telling my account managers, okay, reach out to the VSA that works for that client and start creating. I've already, the AI created like like templated pre and post event social networking content. So like for Twitter and for LinkedIn and so on, promoting the event, and then post like wrap up content. And what the project says is work with the VSA to communicate with the client that, hey, here are some post and pre and post content that we can use. And we had a client that was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. These templated things are absolutely perfect. Yes, more yes. And then another client who, on their action plan, was they wanted their VSA to be a lot more proactive and understand their specific industry more. And so for that specific action plan, the account manager of the VSA worked to help the VSA to be a lot more proactive, understand, created guides on how to do commercial real estate and all this other stuff, right? And then that was presented to the client. The client loved it. And now that VSA is actually proactively making more money for that client. Okay. And this is all the idea of the AI. Okay. So whether you're a one-person shop or you have a team of people who work for you, you can have AI understand your client's needs based off of the discovery call, create these plans that obviously you're going to get approval from the client for every little step, but create these semi-annual, annual plans that help the client to go and meet their goals. And what do you think that does? That inspires the client to start referring you. That inspires the client to expand with you, to see you as a trusted resource. Right? We had one client who, during the discovery process, we found out that one of their managers left, and they did a very specific job. They did a catering job. They were a catering manager, and the AI caught that. It actually caught it by listening to what one of the VSAs was sharing in a coaching session. So it caught that in a coaching session, because I use it to analyze the coaching sessions and everything like that. And then it created an action plan to help the VSA to do 90% of what the catering manager was doing, so that the owner didn't have to worry about the catering, about a lot of the catering stuff that was happening, and was able to let go of a heck of a lot of stuff that was stressing them out, was bleeding revenue, and so on. So this is where the power of AI comes in, is seeing what your customers are doing, helping you develop these strategic plans. Obviously, you need to understand and need to be strategic as well. But me being an introvert, this is really hard for me to do, to get on calls, to then develop these plans and then direct my guys to go do these plans by myself, right? Without this kind of like, almost like I see it as like a visionary and integrator. If you ever read the book Rocket Fuel, which is by Gino Wickman, and I forgot somebody else, but I think it might be just Gino Wickman. He's the founder of Traction and the Entrepreneur Operating System. you have the visionary who has this vision of what to do, but then you have the integrator who actually takes that vision and makes it a reality. You can have AI be this integrator. This integrator role now can be done by AI, and that is extremely powerful. And it can be done literally in minutes, because once you have the transcript, you know what your customer needs. Boom, they make the plan, they put it into monday.com or asana.com or whatever, and boom, you're done. Right? So this is where, gosh, it's just such a freaking amazing thing to have now, where AI can be your strategic partner, can help your team be more effective, and can help your clients feel like they are getting value, like where you can never get value. No other place is going to give you that type of value. Like we're basically a virtual assistant service, but what virtual assistant service is like literally giving you strategic value. Like really is not just saying, hey, we can take time off your plate. No, we are figuring out ways to make you money, helping you to make money, helping you to promote your events, helping you to promote your catering service, helping you to find blind spots and plug revenue leaks. No other place does that, right? And that's not because we're special, but that's because using AI as a means to strategically and systematically grow your business is, I think, the wave of the future. And people who use it in this way, businesses that use it in this way, are going to have ambassadors and evangelizers like nobody else. And so, yeah, it's a game changer. It's been a great game changer for Sulum, prosulum.com, www.prosulum.com. Using it also to create lead magnets that help my clients. People have asked me over and over again, how do I create SOPs? How do I create SOPs? And so I'm like, I'll just create an app using AI. And so we ended up creating instant.myprosulum.com to create free SOPs. You can go there, get free SOPs there. People wanted to know how to systemize their business and like where they're sucking. We created quiz.myprosulum.com. That literally took, both of those literally took less than a day to create and deliver a ton of value to our clients and to anyone. I mean, if you wanted to go there and get that, you can do it now. But that's where it's going, guys. That's where it's going. In fact, guess what? This entire video, all I had to do was record the audio, but all of the thumbnails, all of the slides, all of the title, the description, everything like that, every single bit of this, from the slide aspect that you see, even the merging of all those slides into a video, is done 100% by AI. So it gives me the time to be able to talk like this and to just share and to give you some perspective. So, all right, hope this helps. Going to do a lot more like this and share strategies, share things like this, and I will see you in the next video.